Good morning and welcome to another mathematics review lesson. Today we're going to be working on double-digit multiplication. The question I've chosen for us today is 46 times 78. And if you're able to multiply the digits 1 to 9, you can do any multiplication question you like. To begin a double-digit multiplication question, like with any addition, subtraction, or multiplication question, we begin on the right-hand side. So I'll be working with the 6 in the bottom multiplier, or factor, and I'll be dealing with the 8 first in the top factor, or multiplier. So I'm going to begin with 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. And like with an addition or subtraction question, I put the 8 in the ones column, and I carry the 4 into the tens column. My second step is to continue with the 6 on the bottom and deal with the next digit in the top multiplier, which is the 7. So I'm now going to deal with 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 7 is 42. I need to remember that I carried something into the tens column, and that has to be added to the 42. So I actually have 46. 42 plus 4 is 46. I can write the 6 down in the tens column, and I need to carry a 4 again. There really isn't anywhere to carry it though, so I can write it right in my answer. Now that I have used the rightmost digit in the bottom multiplier and both digits in the top multiplier, I can move on to the second digit, the 4, in the bottom multiplier. This 4 is in the tens place, and so I'm not really multiplying by 4, I'm actually multiplying by 40. 40 times any number will always end in a 0. So I'm going to place a 0 in the second row, and now I'm going to deal with the 4. Just like before, we're going to deal with the 8 first, because it's on the right-hand side of the question, or in the ones place. 4 times 8 is my next step. 4 times 8 is 32. So I'm going to put a 2 in the tens place and carry the 3. And at this point, I'm going to cross out anything else that I've carried so I don't get confused. I've done 4 times 8, and now I'm going to deal with 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. I need to remember that I did carry a 3 before, so I need to add that 3 to 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So I can write the 1 in the hundreds column and carry the 3. Once again, there's nowhere to carry it to, so it can be written down immediately at the bottom. In any double-digit multiplication question, you'll always find that you have 2 rows of products. One row relating to the ones place, and one row relating to the tens place. The last step in a double-digit multiplication question is to add these 2 products together. Again, I begin on the right-hand side. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus nothing is 3. So my final answer is 3,588. I hope that's been helpful, and I hope you keep practicing multiplication.